Hello to all of the students. Students, today we have to see Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is one of the most important reaction from organic chemistry in which benzene is converted into benzaldehyde. That means this is the reaction in which benzene undergo formulation in which formyl group, that is aldehyde group, get adds to the one of the carbon of aromatic ring. This Gattermann-Koch reaction is the reaction in which benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in acidic medium of HCl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form benzaldehyde. In this reaction, you can see that AlCl3, that is anhydrous AlCl3, acts as a catalyst here. And also, this reaction will take place in presence or under pressure or by using copper 1 chloride, that is CuCl. Here AlCl3 acts as a Lewis catalyst. On a screen you can see that how benzene with COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl get converted into benzaldehyde. Thus CHO, formyl or aldehyde group get attaches to the carbon of aromatic ring. Now let us see the mechanism of the reaction. Students, in this mechanism, carbon monoxide and HCl both plays an important role in the reaction, because this CO and HCl gives rise to the formation of formyl chloride. After formation of formyl chloride, benzene get converted into benzaldehyde, otherwise not. Therefore CO and HCl has to play important role during this reaction. Now this carbon monoxide has a nucleophilic nature and HCl, it is acid. Therefore, as carbon monoxide has a nucleophilic nature, it easily attacks on HCl and abstract hydrogen from HCl, and hydrogen get bonded with carbon of carbon monoxide to form an intermediate. This intermediate has two resonance structure, in which you can see that the second resonance structure, carbon present has positive charge. This resonating structure which carries positively charged carbon get attacked by Cl. This Cl then attaches to the carbon with pair of electron and it get bonded with carbon to form HCOCl. During this step, you can see here, this is CO carbon monoxide, C double bond, triple bond O. This is the HCl. The hydrogen from the HCl get attaches to the carbon. Already electron pair is present on carbon. With the help of that electron pair, carbon get attaches to hydrogen to form this intermediate. The two resonating structures are obtained here, in which second resonating structure, carbon carries positive charge. This positively charged carbon is attacked by remaining Cl. This Cl with electron pair get attaches to the carbon to form CCl bond. In such a way, HOCl is formed. After this formation of HCOCl, the next step takes place, that is interaction with the Lewis acid. In this step, the Lewis catalyst AlCl3 plays an important role, because in this step AlCl3 abstract Cl from SCOCl, which is obtained in previous step, and AlCl3 get converted into AlCl4 complex. The formyl cation is formed in this step. Which is free here to react with aromatic compound. Now this formyl cation is responsible here in the next step to attach formyl group to the aromatic ring. Let us see how the step carry out. This is the second step of the mechanism. In this step you can see that in the previous step this SCOCl is obtained. Now this Cl from SCOCl is abstracted by AlCl3 and AlCl3 get converted into AlCl. Firstly, AlCl3 get attaches to this Cl. After that, this AlCl3 and Cl, that means total AlCl4 is given out, and then formyl cation is formed. Now this formyl cation is now free to react with aromatic ring, that is benzene. On this formyl cation in this step, you already know this is the step 3 of the mechanism, which is addition of formyl cation to the benzene ring. Now let us see how this formyl cation works here with benzene. The benzene already contains pi electrons, that means it is an electron rich. Therefore, benzene ring attacks or acts here as a nucleophile and attacks at the electrophilic carbon of the formyl cation, which gives rise to form sigma complex. During this step, one of the double bond get converted into single bond, and these free electrons or free pi electrons from the aromatic ring shares the carbon with the carbon of formyl cation to form CC bond between them. Let us see how this step takes place. During this step, you can see this is the carbon atom of formyl cation. It acts as a electrophile. This double bond get converted into single bond. 2 pi electrons get free. With the help of this electron, this carbon get attaches to this carbon, and there is formation of carbon-carbon bond in such a way the formyl group get attaches here to the carbon of aromatic ring with the help of pi electrons. Now in the next step, the AlCl4 was formed. Now again one of the Cl is given out, and this AlCl4 again get converted into AlCl3. That means in the previous step, that AlCl3 that was used during the step 2 mechanism, again in this step it is restored, and this Cl which was given out from AnCl4 abstract hydrogen. Which hydrogen? This one. And HCl is also given out. What remains now? It remains here only benzaldehyde. In such a way, students, benzene get converted into benzaldehyde.